It's time for Cooking with MacGruder.
MacGruder?
MacGruder! So get cooking there, MacGruder, and whip up something good. What in the world? What are you doing, MacGruder? Those onions are still alive. You're torturing those vegetables, MacGruder. How could you? What are we playing, charades? You're a headless juggler. No, you're a band leader. You're a monkey. Come on, Lockjaw, give me some clues. What's that supposed to be? Hey, don't get so close. Ow!
Help! I'm melting! I'm melting! I'll give you cholesterol!
I think your chickens are allergic. I'm worried, MacGruder. Is this concoction of yours gonna taste any good?
I just put it on there. It's up to you to make it flavorful.
I don't think you should put powdered bleach on the chicken. How do you clean your underwear, Lockjaw, if you do?
I use pure ingredients. I try to take out every bit of...
Of what? Every bit of what?
excess. I cut out every bit of fat that I can.
That's interesting. Most people use water and detergent. Smile when you talk like that, MacGruder. By the way, what do your parents call you?
Evil. You're evil. Look at that cell phone case.
It says, "To evil MacGruder, love mom and dad."
That's neat.
Well, I guess they accept you for who you are. There we go. Now he's pouring on his homemade special ketchup. That sure opens up the nasal passages. Woohoo! That's it. Slam it in there, Lockjaw.
Need one more container for chicken. If anybody has a bowl for it.
You got a bowl right there in your hand, man.
This is hibachi time with Lockjaw MacGruder.
But what are you doing upside down?
Hibachi!
And here's the results of Lockjaw MacGruder's efforts. Not too shabby, huh? Meet Esmeralda Honeydew, Miss Taffy, Tasha Pennyworth, and that no-good Lockjaw MacGruder. But he did alright tonight, only I still don't know how he got upside down. Their table manners are atrocious.